Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Fitness Minute. Today we're going to be doing some core work and some work for our arms in a plank. So we're going to start on our stomachs. We're going to take our feet on the ground, take the feet together, the knees together, the thighs together. We're going to take the elbows right below the shoulders, the arms bent, hands are just relaxed however you want them. And then we're going to push up onto the elbows and the hands into a plank. You want to pull the stomach in really tight from the belly button down, pull the shoulder blades back, squeeze those inner thighs together, and then from here, we're going to add some movement with the arms. We're just going to extend an arm out and bring it back in. Now you don't have to go very far, just do as much as you can control. If that's too difficult on the feet, you can come down to the knees, make sure the body's flat, and try it there. Okay, so it's going to work your arms, your shoulders a bit. It's mainly for your core, for your stomach, for your lower back. You might get a little bit of work in your butt also, depending on how you stabilize. I would try to work up to about 30 seconds on that, and from 30 seconds move up a little bit longer to make it a little bit tougher. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.